In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can add a watermark to your designs in Canva. I'm going to use a text watermark, a watermark using a logo, and even a watermark using apps. And all of this can be done in the free version, except a couple of things which you would need a pro account for, but I will show you those as well. So I have my design here, and let's first make a watermark using the text option. So go to the left here, choose text, and then we will add a subheading. And then here you can type in what you want your watermark to be. Now you can adjust your font and your sizing as you want to, and we were going to adjust the size of our text like this. And then I'm going to drag it on top to make it easier, just like that. Now to make it more of a watermark, I'm going to adjust the transparency here on top, and then I'm going to make it more transparent, just like this, so it's still visible but won't impede our design beneath it. Now select your text, hold down your Alt Option key and drag it down to make a copy, and then we're going to hold down the Shift key, select the other text, and hold down the Alt Option key again to make a copy. And just keep doing so it spans your entire image. You can also make a group of something to make it quicker. But just like that, you have made a watermark on top of your image in Canva with a text option. Now we can also use a watermark option, and for that I'm going to go to my uploads, and in my uploads I have this watermark. Now as you can see, this watermark has a transparent background. If you have Canva Pro, you can use a background remover to remove a background if it isn't transparent. If you don't have the Canva Pro option, it's easier to start with a logo with a transparent background. And I'm just going to copy this using my Alt Option key so it spans my entire image. And then I'm going to go to position here on top, and in position I'm going to choose layers, and now we can see all my logos. Using the Shift key I'm going to select all of them and then press Ctrl Command G to make a group. Now I can copy paste my group using my Alt Option key and dragging them around just like that. So it spans my entire image. Then I forgot to adjust the transparency, so I'm going to select all my groups here, then press Ctrl Command G again to make one group out of all of them. And then I'm going to check transparency here and lower the transparency so it doesn't impede on our design. You can do this beforehand, but I forgot to do so. This is another way if you forgot to do it. But that's how you can create a watermark using logos in Canva. Now, the other option we have to create a watermark is using an app. And for that, we're going to go to the left side here and choose apps. In apps, we're going to search for watermark. And as you can see, we have 3 results. We have the watermark maker, the hidden watermark, and image eraser, which we will take a look at in another video. Let's first start with the watermark maker. So if you click it, you will get the info on the app, also the permissions it needs and all those things, so be sure to check that out before you use it. And if you want to use it, click open. And now it will open the app. You can create a watermark using a text, a logo, or a signature. And the logo lets you upload or choose a file you have already uploaded. But let's make the text logo, in which you can change the text you want to use. You can use these nice copyright signs here. You can choose a font style, the opacity even of your text. Let's adjust that first. And then you can choose standalone, grid, or staggered. And you can even adjust the spacing and the rotation if you want to. And you get a preview on top so you can see what you're doing here. You can also choose if you want to have the current page or multiple pages. And then when you click Generate, as you can see, the app has added a watermark for you. There is no need to copy paste all the things. It just does everything for you, spanning the entire image. And you can even choose the opacity you want to have. You can also use the logo or the signature. And then the other option I want to check with you, So when we go back, is this hidden watermark. Now the hidden watermark, as you can see, it adds an invisible text, embedding special information, so like copyright details, and you can decode an image online to check for the hidden information and ensure it remains secure. You also have the permissions here. And if you want to use the app, just click open. Now this one has that hidden data embedded in your design. You have the decode option as well. You can enter the watermark text you want to use. You have the strength level, the image quality and all that, but as you can see here, it uses credits. Now you can buy credits on Canva. If I'm not mistaken, you get a certain amount of credits for free. As a free user, you can use one time to check out certain apps and all that. Or you can go for the pro account, and the pro account gives you a certain amount of credits each month. So you can try it as a free user, or you can go pro and all that if you want to use this hidden watermark. So just keep that in mind. But that's how you can easily add a watermark to your designs in Canva using apps, using text, or using logos. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.